Save a bundle. Smart English Idioms Unpacked. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a very useful English phrase, save a bundle. This idiom is common in everyday English, especially when talking about money and shopping. So, if you're ready to sound like a native and save some money in the process, let's get started. The phrase, save a bundle, means to save a large amount of money. The word, bundle, here is used informally to represent a significant sum. It's often used when referring to the money one might save when making purchases, whether it's groceries, electronics, or even when buying a car. Ever wondered where save a bundle comes from? Although its exact origins are unclear, it's believed to be an American idiom that gained popularity as the concept of bundle deals or bulk buying became more common. By buying in bulk, consumers could save a bundle of cash. Incorporating save a bundle into your conversation is easy. It's usually used in the past or future tense. For example, I saved a bundle on my new laptop during the holiday sales. You could save a bundle if you buy the family pack instead of individual units. Let's see how the phrase fits into some example sentences. Shopping at outlet stores can help you save a bundle. By comparing different insurance plans, I was able to save a bundle on my car insurance. If you want to vary your language, here are some synonyms. Save a lot, save a fortune, cut costs, economize. And that's a wrap on Save a Bundle. Remember, learning idioms can be a fun way to enrich your English vocabulary and sound more like a native speaker. I hope you saved a bundle of knowledge today. See you in the next video.